Hi guys, it's finally the most wonderful time of the year, and today is garden plot cleanup day. So my strawberry patch, I need to clean it up. It has a lot of debris, so I definitely need to clean up. But you can see that some of the strawberries are already coming back up. I have way too many strawberries in here, so I have to let go. My carrot patch is about ready. I actually added a bit of sand to just loosen it up. I don't know, actually. Last year I was thinking I wasn't going to plant carrots in here because I've planted carrots in here 2 years in a row. So I thought maybe I should move the carrots somewhere else. I don't know. Plant what? Peas. And then here is my herb bed, which is what I was just cleaning out. So last year, I thought if I covered my scent leaf, maybe it might regenerate because it's supposed to be a perennial. But I mean, this is cold. It's cold. This year, I'm actually planting some scent leaf indoors. But I covered it. I don't know, maybe it will come back or not. But here I have thyme, which is most likely my thyme is probably going to come back. It looks pretty dead right now. But I know it came back last year, so I'm expecting it to come back again this year. And then I have some scent leaf and something else. Yeah. But this is my herb bed, and I'm keeping my herbs in here this year again. And then I have the big patch. If you guys remember, I planted my peppers in here last year. I'm doing the same thing this year. But this year I'm not planting a lot of peppers because I don't want to. I don't know. I'm just I still have peppers from last year, so I'm not planting a lot of peppers. I'm just planting two varieties, which is the red habanero and then the yellow nsuka pepper. In here, I think I might do what did we plant here last year? Cucumbers. I might do cucumbers again here this year, or I might move the cucumbers to the end of the garden just to kind of mix things up a bit. But mostly here I'm going to have peppers and tomatoes, and then maybe some garden eggs as well. But I started my garden eggs late in the season, so I don't know if I'm going to have anything to transplant. And then the other side, oh yeah, guys, and last year I actually started garlic. I started some garlic in the winter time, and it looks like a few of them might come up. We'll see. I think there's one here that looks like it's actually about to come out. And then I think I have I can see maybe 2 or 3 of them poking through. I don't know what that's going to look like, or if I'm going to get anything out of it, but it was worth the try. I had garlic in here, and then I had garlic in one of my thingies. And then my obsession for this summer is melons. I'm planting 4 different varieties of watermelons, and I'm trying to convince my husband to buy me another trellis, but I just don't know where I would put it if I got another one. But I would like to have another trellis. I don't know if it would fit on the other side of my garden or not, but I would love to have another trellis anyways, because I have 4 varieties of melons currently going. In here this year, I'm going to grow corn. You can remember last year somebody stole my corn. I'm planting corn at home, not anywhere else. And then in here, I'm going to do different kinds of greens. Ewedu for sure. I'm doing shoko for sure. And then I might do bok choy as well. I don't know yet, but ewedu and shoko for sure. And then other things in here. And then I have bags, and those bags I will use to grow things actually. So I have sweet potatoes sprouting. I don't know where I'm going to put my sweet potatoes yet. I know that I want to put it in something contained because I don't want it to just spread all over the place. So I have that. Anyways, I'm super excited to clean out my garden and get into planting or seeding the early stuff. I think where I am, it's almost time for me to actually seed my carrot. So I'm going to do that this weekend or latest by next weekend. All right, guys, pick up your seeds. Let's get growing.